Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am still a girl Ella Bain. In today's tutorial, we will be learning how to cut a corset, and these are the materials we are going to use for this tutorial. And please, if this is your first time you are coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. And for my subscribers, wow, I don't know how to thank you, my viewers. You all are wonderful. I love you guys. So as you can see on this table, I have drafted the basic bodies here, okay, so that it will be so easy for us to go. So now I'm going to put the bust span here. Bust span is the two nipples, the distance between the two nipples, and this paper here is folded. It's folded into two. So the bust span we are using here is 9 inches, and because the paper is unfold, 9 inches is 4.5. So I'll start by marking 4.5. This is the bust line, this is under bust, and this is the waist. Okay, so on the bust line I'll mark the 4.5, and I'll mark it down to the waist, and I'll connect the whole dots. I'll connect the whole dots with a straight line. So after this, next thing is to take your dart. So on the waist here, you will mark 1 inch this side, 1 inch this side. On the under bust, you do the same thing. Okay, then you connect with a straight line. Okay, so next thing now is to take it up to this nipple point here. Okay, you can use your free hand, give it a curve, okay, or you can use your pattern master or your armhole curve. Anyone you have, you can use it. What matters is for you to get the curve. Okay, okay. Good. So next thing now is for us to take our neck depth. So here you will determine how deep or up you want your neck to be. Okay, so for me, I'll go down by 7 inches. I think 7 is normal. Okay, so at this point now I'm going to rule it down to armhole. Okay, and I'll mark N here as the neck. Okay, I'll mark N here as the neck. So, and on this neck area, I'll also mark the nipple point there, 4.5, and I'm going to connect it down to this, to the nipple point. So I'm going to take 1 this side and take 1 this side, 1 here and 1 here. I'm going to bring it down to the bust point. It's very easy and so simple. So you have gotten the cup already. So from this neckline now, neck depth now, I'm going to come down by 2 inches or 2.5, depends how you want your neck to be. So I'm going to come down by 2 inches from here. So on these 2 inches, I'll go in by half inch. Now bring it down to the under bust. First of all, I'll connect the half inch. Okay, then I'll bring it down to the under bust. Good. So from here now, I'm going to connect it to this point. Okay, you can use your hand, give it a shape you want. I'm going to give it a nice curve for me. I'm going to give it a nice curve. So from here, I'll just, okay, can you see that? Okay, now, so from this embossed line now, from the bust line, I'll connect it from here to this point. Okay, so try to get your sewing tools. It helps a lot in drafting a pattern. Can you see that? So we are done with this side now. So coming to this area, what I will do now is to measure the distance between the bust line and under bust line. So whatever I get here, I'll transfer it to this place. So here I have 4 inches plus. I'm going to add extra ½ inch to it, which is 4.5, or you can add 1 inch to it. But for me, I will go with ½ inch. It's 4.5 plus. So you mark your 4.5 inches here, okay, and connect it to this, to the armhole. Okay, connect to the armhole. Okay, then from here now you connect to this place. Okay, so yeah, so next you will do now is to blend this area. Okay, you blend it somehow. Just make sure you blend it very well. Okay, so from here you blend it. Okay, okay, hope you can see what I'm doing. So next thing you will do now is to put all your body's measurement, just the body circumference. Okay, so I'm going with a bust measurement of 40 inches. So 40 divided by 4 to give you 10. And I'm going to bring the 10 up here on the, I'm going to bring the 10 up here on the armhole. Okay, mark 10 here. Okay, so on the under bust, the bust circumference is 35. Divide it by 4 to give you 8.75. And I'll mark 8.75 here. Here. Okay. So remember we minus 1 here, which is 2. So you are going to add that 2 back here to give you the complete body circumference. On the waist, you are using 38 inches for the waist circumference. 38 divided by 4, it will give you 9.5. And you have to add these 2 back. You add it back. Okay, so now you will put your seam allowances. So here I'll put 2 inches for the seam allowances. Okay, yes, 2 for the seam allowances. 2 inches is enough for me. 2 inches. So I will now connect. Good. So don't mind the shape, because after joining together here, the whole thing will come in place. So if you want to get your yoke, After cutting this here, you will leave this place for your yoke. So it is time to cut. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. I'm going to cut off this place. This place is going out. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, like, share, and comment. Okay. Okay. So after cutting, this is what you are going to have. Okay. If you want to get 4 of these, maybe you want to join here and here, you can as well do that. And this is your yoke. If you want to add your yoke, this is the yoke. Can you see it? All you need to do now is to take your neck depth and your neck width and your neck depth, and you can just do it here now. Depends. Just take your neck depth. You cut off your shoulder slope. Okay, and you are good to go. This is it. Okay, so guys, hope the tutorial is good for you. So like I said before, if you haven't subscribed, please try to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. So I'm going to put on the description board on how you can get your basic bodice pattern. Okay, stay safe. I love you guys. Till we meet again on our next tutorial. Bye.